Entertainment. First of all, I'm really sorry because this tutorial have been uploaded very late because my examinations were going on and I was not able to concentrate on these tutorials. Okay, so now my exams are finished and I will try to bring one new tutorial every week for you guys. So guys, as you all know, in this tutorial I'm going to show you all how to bypass the pin or the password of a PC. So guys, as you all know, before getting into it, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also stay tuned till the end of this tutorial. So guys, let's get into it. So guys, as you can see here, I got my PC in front of me and I don't know the password right now. So it's very simple and it's really easy to bypass the password or the, any like kind of security system in this. So it's very simple. Now how to do that? I will just tell you a simple trick. Now the first thing you should do is on the keyboard of your PC, just press shift. Okay, this side or either this side, it does not matter, any one side. Now I press shift. Now while you press shift on the screen, go to the button. You can see this button, right? So go to the start button. So just click there and you should make sure that you are still pressing the shift button. Okay, do not leave the shift button. So while you press it, go here and press this button and press restart. Make sure again that you are pressing the shift key. Okay, so make sure you press that key. Now you press shift key. While you're pressing the shift key, just press the restart button. Okay, now restart anyway. Okay, now here you can see it will tell restarting. Don't worry, it will just take few seconds or like 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait. Actually, it does not take a lot of time, but sometimes if your computer is very slow, it will take a lot of time. Now see, when you press the shift and the restart button, you will come to an interface like this. So you can see you will get 3 options like this. Choose an option. So you will get continue, that exit and continue to Windows 10. The second is troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see advanced options. And the third option is turn off your PC. Okay, now I should go to the second option here. Okay, troubleshoot. So I go to troubleshoot and again you can see 2 options here, reset this PC and advanced options. So I go to reset this PC. Now again there comes 2 options here, keep my files and remove everything. Now what does it mean by keep my files? It means that remove apps and settings but keep personal files. So what are all the files you're having, it will be saved, but the apps on your computer will be lost. Okay, and now the second option right here, that's remove everything. It will remove completely everything. So your PC will be blank. Okay, so now if you want to keep your file, just keep my files, and if you don't want anything, you want to reset it completely, remove everything. Okay, now in the first option you can see it removes apps and settings. So the setting to open this PC, we should enter the PIN or the password, right? So if we put keep my files and reset this PC, you no need to put the password or PIN to open the laptop. Okay, so now when you press on this, it will take some time, or maybe sometimes it takes up to hours. Okay, but probably it finish within few minutes like that. Okay, so now you can go to keep my files and you can press that, and as you press that, after some time you will see your PC is resetting and it will be all completed. So by doing that, your files will not go, and also you can open your PC without entering the PIN or the password. So guys, this was the easiest hack, or you can say like the bypass, to bypass the PIN or the password. Okay, so guys, this was only the trick. So I hope you loved the video, and if you did so, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also ring the bell icon to not miss my every video that I upload on YouTube. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching.